Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on the gaming mode on Windows 11. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Every Windows 11 PC feature a function known as game mode, while gamer mode purpose is to assist with smoothness and optimization of game performance for Windows. If you are having issue, it may be conflict with the settings. It changes automatically, or perhaps enabling game mode makes fix issue you are having with games on your PC. So what if you want to turn on the gaming mode on your PC or laptop on Windows 11? It's so simple. So first of all, you can just open your settings on your computer or laptop. Now you can go to gaming section, click on gaming, and there is an option game mode. You can just click on that. If your game mode is inactive, disabled, for the toggle, you can just click on the toggle and here to turn on this. So now you have turned on the gaming mode on your Windows on your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on game mode on your Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.